again, I'm here, guys. I just had to show you before I know you're trying. Hey guys, how are you? I'm great. Thank you for asking if you asked. It is Sunday, November 21st, I think. Yeah. And it just snowed. We're getting snow in Toronto, Canada. Today was like legitimately like our really first snowfall. Like we've had snow 2 times already, but today is actually where it accumulated. We got like 1 centimeter. You can't see it right now because it's like all dried up and whatnot. So currently I am at my mom's restaurant. I am here decorating. I'm making a balloon column currently. Got some streamers up, gotta finish putting up the stuff. We are celebrating my grandma's, what would have been her 99th birthday. Happy birthday, grandma. So we're just gonna have like the family come over. My mom cooks and some of my like other people are bringing stuff, and we're just gonna chill, talk about my grandma, reminisce, you know, about all the memories that we've shared with her, you know, laugh, and you know, she's gone, but her memory still lives on. So that's pretty much what today is all about. So today we are thinking of you, grandma. I hope you guys can, yeah, maybe you guys can see it that way, you know, it says thinking of you anyways. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I just wanted to update y'all because I haven't vlogged in a few days. I uploaded a vlog. I got my internet, okay, uploaded a vlog on YouTube, and then my laptop decided that it was gonna stop working. So tomorrow I gotta go out and see if I can get my laptop fixed or if I'm just gonna have to buy a new one. And if that's the case, I'm gonna be really sad because I'm not gonna be able to get a new laptop until after Christmas. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I don't think all the content that I need to upload is still on my memory cards. I know they're on my phone. I still have some videos on my phone, but the ones on my camera, I don't know if they're still there on my camera. If that's the case, then I could always go to somebody's house and vlog, like edit. That's not an issue, but I'm gonna do and I love you guys. Like there's just something about every time I get an email that says your video has finally been uploaded on YouTube, and then people comment, or like my friends like comment on like Facebook, or you know, whatever, like, or I get like a text message like, I love that. Like I feel so fulfilled. So I gotta look into that. I'm gonna look into that tomorrow, like ASAP. And yeah, hopefully that will be fixed. Hopefully it can be fixed, and if so, it can be fixed by this week, because it's my anniversary this weekend coming up, November 28th, and we're saying before I got cut off, it's our anniversary this weekend, so we're having our housewarming / like adult game night thing. So I need my laptop, but anyways, I just finished my columns. Hey. And I'm gonna cut this phone off before it I have no space again. So I'll see y'all in a little bit on my camera.
A lot of people. I heard that they're gonna hit the wrestling
Sister! Marjorie! Marjorie! Shayla, have you watched any of my videos? Have you watched any of my YouTube videos? No? Wow. So yeah, we're just here at my grandma's birthday party, and yeah.
your great granddaughter. We're celebrating her today. All these balloons. She passed away. Happy birthday, Mama.
No, I'm joking. I really wasn't gonna sing happy birthday to her. Like, that's awkward. Like, where are we looking? Happy birthday. No, 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 no. Don't do that. I want to sleep well tonight. To do what? We just have to open it and cut it.
Yeah, and serve it, honey.
Okay. Owner. What me look like to you? No, but
Look at woo! My. Sweet God.
Oh, this is American.
Mom, tapping eyes now?
Grandma, get your fat. Ray.
That's exactly what she would say. Shut your fat. Go J-Lo.
This is what I like that you are dancing.
Watch out.
Keep dancing.
I'm still Jenny from the block. Go Canada. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it.
And I want it. And I show it. Outside.
And I love it. And I want it. And I show it. Stupid. Hey, now we got problems. And I don't think we can solve them.
That's pretty cool.
You mean I really like? Yeah.
On everybody's too. What is that?
Hey! Lay that way, Nick. Hey! Hey, yo, Canada's taking over the world, yo.
You're in Canada right now?
What? No, but I mean, like, you know, like artist-wise, like, I know a lot of other people. Go, Ed.
Chris Brown?
No. Why would my husband be with Jennifer Lopez?
Yeah, he's supposed to be at home waiting for you. Right?
Marlon and Brown.
Why do you always bring up Marlon's name? Like,
Mr. Wallace. Mrs. Wallace? Hello?
what is wrong with this lady?
Wow.
Did you come to my wedding?
Wallace?
Did you come to my wedding?
So you are.
Oh, okay. Here's my husband. Here he is. This is him. This is him. You know. Shut up, Shamika. Shut up, Shamika. Huh? So again, I'm here, guys. I just had to show you before I take it off my makeup again. I'm getting better. This time I actually applied, like, I used BB cream. I applied that to my face, and then I did my brows, as you can see, because they're a little bit highlighted. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting better. Yeah. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Oh my gosh. You stupid thing. Anyways, you guys. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And I'm gonna put up my tree today. So, y'all are gonna be with me while I put up my tree. So excited. I'm going with the theme white and gold, and I think I'm gonna add in a little bit of silver because I found the cutest table skirt today. I wish they had it in gold, but I was like, bruh, this Christmas is gonna be turned all the way up. I can't believe this friggin' ornament I just broke. Oh! treat. It's only 4.5 feet. And I think this is the spot I'm going to play it in. My star! I thought I lost it. Hi. Yes, okay, so I don't gotta buy a star, girl. It's so perfect. Hey. Anyways, my favorites, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna go eat because my food be smelling so good and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Can you get off? Yeah, so you know, I made some dumpling and some Irish potato, and then I have my saltfish with some bok choy. Oh God! 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 It's gonna be so good. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Clean up this little mess that I've started. And yeah, that's gonna be a night. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Maybe if you let me be your